What's up, everyone? Here's a 2007 Mercedes SL550 convertible. Customer wanted to upgrade his head unit, so we did that. We also added a front camera, which is mounted in the logo. Take you inside, show you what we used. So our customer went with the Pioneer 4500, Bluetooth, CD player, wireless CarPlay, and Android Auto. We also added a backup camera, which has dynamic lines. So it turns with his steering wheel. To activate the front camera, it's the RCA source right there. Brings up your front camera. Has satellite radio. Also integrated his steering wheel controls. Volume up. Volume down. Thank you guys for watching.